Hi, hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Roop channel. How are you all? So, Republic would directly hit our politicians in the sense the politicians of the Telugu states, and if it comes in other languages afterwards, it will be also applicable to other state politicians. Also, I'm not bringing controversy. I'm making my point clear here. So, it's the movie's update in this video will be Saidaram Tej's upcoming movie titled as Republic. Yes, so this movie is directed by Dev Kata, who is known for his films like Prasthanam, Vanilla, and now he is coming up with a political drama laced with patriotism. And this is said to be hard-hitting take on current politics. And inside buzz, as per the news, is that the film has several controversial dialogues which would directly hit the politicians. And interestingly, the filmmaker is also said to have targeted some lazy and corrupt bureaucrats and irresponsible citizens. Already, the first look poster, I think two first look posters of Saitej and one first look poster of the co-actress, that's Ramya Krishnan ji, has also been released, and Ramya Krishnan is also playing a pivotal role in this movie, and Aishwarya Rajesh is the female lead for Sai Dharam Tej in this upcoming political thriller. And now it is gonna be a political thriller, a never ever seen role for Sai Dharam Tej actually, because he has been doing many romantic and action films till now, but now he has taken a turn, and his last movie was also related to love and comedy only. But now this stage is going to play a protagonist and having a stellar role, and his character is said to be a new and fresh. And it is also heard that Tej has delivered fine performance, and this movie is said to be a thought provoking one. And the director is hoping that it brings awareness among people, and it tells citizens to be responsible and choose their leaders wisely. And let's see how this movie stands out at the box office. And however, one has to wait and see what is in store for the Republic and how it overcomes the censor hurdles and controversies. As you know, nowadays the films are getting many controversies after the trailer coming out, and we have seen recently in the Family Man season 2 how the Tamil people gone against it. And now it is also said there are many dialogues against the politicians, against the political system, which is currently inhibited in our country, in our states also especially. And now, since the film has a mega hero as its face, and Saidaram Tej, as you know, is a relative of megastar Chiranjeevi, so we have to see how many political turns it would take, because megastar Chiranjeevi was also a politician of back in his time, and especially his brother Power Star Pawan Kalyan, who is has a lot of fan base, is also in politics. So let's see how many controversies this will cause, because there are many rival political parties in the Telugu states which are eagerly waiting to take up one issue and just grab the people towards them. And how Republic faces these controversies is yet to be known. But this is the latest political thriller which is going to release. Maybe they have not released any release date. If everything goes fine, I think this movie will be able to seen in theaters next year, not this one. We have to wait and see. If any movie updates regarding this movie comes out, guys, I will let you know. And this is the latest inhibited and the storyline of Saidaram Tej's Republic. So hope you like this video and info. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care of yourselves. Thanks for watching. Thank